Now then, welcome to another video. I'm in North Yorkshire. I'm at a place called Gothland, and specifically I'm at a place called Mallyan Spout, which is this pretty impressive waterfall behind me. We had a lot of rain yesterday, so I think that's really done it some favours. We're getting some really good water flow going over. But as a place, there's some amazing little intricate details. They've got the river, some little cascades, there's a gnarly old tree. I reckon we can get quite a few compositions from this place. When I say we, that's because I'm with the Sherbinator again this week. He's joined me, which is a good idea. We're talking slippy rocks and we're talking me. So it's good to have somebody with me. It's good just in case I end up in the drink. There's a good chance of it. So join me on this little explore. Let's see what we can make of the place. There it is. That little red dot.
Yeah.
It's recording.
I pressed and hold it.
No, just... Right then, I'm back in the office. That can only mean one thing. I've had technical difficulties. I was clambering over those wet, slippy rocks, and I didn't want to be lumbered with an expensive camera and a big, heavy tripod. So I was using just my DJI Pocket, which is a great piece of kit, nice and lightweight, and pretty much leaves my hands free when I inevitably slip. But for whatever reason, it started acting a bit weird. It were recording intermittently, and the gimbal was drifting off like it had a mind of its own. I'm putting it down to moisture in the air. There was the waterfall and a lot of spray. The air was damp. Got it back to the dry warmth of the office. Charged it up. It's been good as gold ever since. So hopefully that problem's been rectified. So nice and short this week, just a few minutes. If you like that sort of video, you like them nice and short, I call them tea break videos, just something you can watch when you've got a few minutes spare. Let me know in comments below. I'll keep making longer, 15-20 minutes videos, but yeah, just let me know if you prefer a few short videos as well. So next week, I'm in Norfolk. My arch nemesis and good friend, Dave Peck, has invited me down to his patch. A few months ago, we did a little shoot together, a little challenge. I took him around a place called Brimham Rocks. We gave ourselves a limited time frame, capture 3 images, and then we compared. Just see what 2 different photographers make of one location. So this is round 2. He's going to take me around his patch. Yeah, I'm looking forward to a bit something different. Now, I normally post my videos on a Friday, so this week you're going to get a bit of a bonus video because I'm going to fall in line with Dave's posting schedule, which is Sunday, 6 PM. So check out my channel then, jump over to Dave's and see see his video. So until then, I'll see you there.